If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in advanced level where you are solving previous year IIT JEE question on vector algebra, skipping the questions on based on 3D. So today we will be solving from question number 6b to up to question number 10. Okay, then let's try to solve these questions. In 6b, two vertices of a triangle are at this and this, and this orthocenter is at this. At this means these are position vector or these are coordinates, you can see. Find the position vector of the third vertex. Now whenever you see vectors are given in only in ij, that means they are talking about only x and y. So we will think it as 2D. That means you will think it at normal coordinate geometry. So you will apply that 3D. So that's why I have written any vector given in 2D, no k cap is there. So that means you will go for only coordinate geometry. Suppose it is jk only, then also you can think of 2D. Forget about I, you write this one j, this one k. So if there is only 2 dimension is there, so you take it as a 2D geometry, that is your, so that is like your coordinate geometry, that what you have studied. Now this coordinate, suppose a coordinate, b coordinate they have given, and the orthocenter, that this coordinate is given. Orthocenter means all the lines which are perpendicular. So this point is also given, which is nothing but the intersecting point of all altitude. You want to find this angle. Now because this point is given, so you can think of this slope you can find, because if I know this line and this line, if I solve these two lines, I can get this point. So how to get this line? This line slope, you think, if you know the slope of this line, then you can find the slope of this line AC also. So what is the slope of BH? Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1, that is minus half. So once you know slope of this one, so what is the slope of this one? These two product slope should be equal to minus 1. So obviously this should be equal to M1, M2 should be equal to minus 1. So this is given minus half, so M1 should be equal to 2. Again from here also, if you know this line slope, Y2 minus Y1, 2, 1. So 2 minus 5, 1 minus 2. So it will be minus, that is 3. So once you know slope of, what will be the slope of this one? Minus 1 by 3, because this and this should be, multiplication should be minus 1. So now you can find the equation of this line slope you know 2, this line 1 point you know, so you apply slope point formula, you find the equation of AC. Similarly you find the equation of BC. Now you solve these two equations, you will find C. So once you know the coordinates of C, that is the position vector. In vector what you will write? 5 by 7 I, 17 by 7 j. So that's it, this is your answer. Okay, now if ABC are the unit vectors such that this is given to you, then this does not exceed. So this whole squares is nothing but, how do we deal it? It is nothing but a minus b dot a minus b. So what is a minus b dot a minus b? Mod a square mod b square minus 2a dot b, so which is nothing but 2ab cos theta 1. And similarly if you take this one is theta 2 cos, and this angle is theta 3. So this is something of this fashion you are coming. You are stuck at this position. Now what is the maximum value of this one? It does not exceed. Now to find this one, you would go to this one, a plus b plus c mod a plus b plus c whole square. Or you can think of, because it is whole square you are doing, so it should be greater than or equal to 0. That is your mod. What is this one? A dot a b dot a. It is something like a plus b whole square, but it is not like that. It is a plus b dot a plus b. That is what? Mod a plus b whole square. So a dot a b dot b c dot c, then a dot b b dot a. So 2ab b c c a all you will get, and again 2ab you will get 2ab cos theta 1. And all are unit vectors, so you put all these magnitudes are 1, so you will get something like this. So because this is greater than equal to 0, so this will be greater than minus 3, 2 into this, so you put it there. So therefore this is greater than minus 3 or minus of this one, because I need this one, so I product multiply both sides by minus. So it was greater than minus 3, if you multiply by minus, so it will be less than 3. Then you add 6 both sides. So that means this is less than 9. So what is the maximum value it can attain? 9. So once you stuck here, you think how to introduce ABC. So to introduce ABC, one equation we take a plus b plus c. Now if you come to 7b, if a is given, b is given, c is given, then box ABC depends on. So what you will do, you will take box ABC, you will find box ABC and see the expression on which it is depending. So once you write this one, here I have done something shortcuts in determinant. So those who have studied, you know, to make one row completely 0, so it becomes easy to open this one. Becomes, so you can apply row transform. But those who don't know, you directly open the determinant. I told you plus this into this minus 0 into. So once you open then and you do some simplification, you will finally get answer as 1. That means there is no x and y. So it is not depending, your box ABC doesn't depend on x, doesn't depend on y. It is fixed at 1. So it is neither on x and y. Now again if you come to question number 8, we have already this one will require some concept of differential calculus, so I am skipping. So we will do it later, because in lots of questions of this chapter we will do later, because these are all related to 3D or some concept of 3D is required. So I am skipping all questions which are not related to vectors. Now if we come to 9a, if AB are two unit vectors such that this and this are perpendicular to each other, then the angle between these. Now perpendicular means these two dots are 0, so you can open it easily, a dot A, a dot B. Once you do it, you will find 8 cos theta, or it is easy, cos theta equal to half, then angle is 60 degree. So that is your answer. Now if you come to 9b, if V and W, this one, and U is a unit vector, then the maximum value of the scalar triple product of this one. So once this one, these two are given to you. So what is the STP? So you can find STP of this fashion. V and W given means this sin theta is fixed. Because what is box ABC? ABC sin theta cos phi. Sin theta was the angle between any two, and then phi is the angle between this cross of this and then A. Because these are fixed, so only depends on one thing, that depends on this one only, this phi, that will give you maximum. Okay, forget it, no need to go on that way. Let's calculate this. So it is V cross W, so V and W is given, so this is this much. So if you dot it this one, it will look like this. And U is a unit vector, they have also given it. So because you know now this one, now what is the maximum value of this one is root 59, because cos theta maximum can go 1. So maximum is this one, minimum is minus root 59. So maximum is asked, so that's why this is answer. Now if you come to question number 10. Let V is the volume of the parallelopipe formed by these vectors. Okay, good. A, R, B, R, C, R, where R is 1, 2, 3 are non-negative real numbers. Okay. Then summation of this, that means what is these meanings? A1 plus A2 plus A3, B1 plus B2 plus B3, C1 plus C2 plus C3 is equal to 3L. Something L is given. Then show that V is less than L cube. So you have to bring some relation between these and these. So you have to be careful. Now what is my volume? Volume is this one, box ABC. Okay. So your volume is obviously less than magnitude of ABC. Why I am bringing this one? Because I don't need cos theta, because here you can see it is A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. So no cos sign is required. Because it is all these values, maximum values can go hardly 1. So obviously this value will be less than this one, because rest of the values are fractions. So if you multiply by fraction, then it is equal, means this is less than, because these values are half, 3 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, something of this fashion. So if you take 1/4, then it is equal. So obviously this one is less than this, if you forget about this. Maximum it can reach up to this one, otherwise it will be less than this. So your V is less than this. And what is this? Magnitude of this is this. Now what is this? This is the vector sum actually. Magnitude of A1 square, A2 square, A3 square, these are the vector sums. And vector sum is always less than your absolute sum, because here it is absolute sum, A1, A2, A3. You have two vectors, suppose A1 and A2. And if you add vectorically, suppose this is your A1 vector and this is your A2 vector. Here it is Ij. Okay, so let me take it Aij only. Suppose this is A1 in I, A2 in J. So if you add these two vectors, the magnitude is this much length. And if you add normally A1, suppose 2 unit, 3 unit. So normal plus is 2 plus 3, 5. But here it is under root 2 square plus 3 square. So this one is less than this. So under root 2 square plus 3 square is less than 2 plus 3. So vector sum is always less than normal algebraic sum. You got it there? So that's why it is less than this. Now somehow you have to introduce, this is product of these three. But here you have A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus B1 plus B2 plus B3. So product of these three should be related with plus. So what is the relation? Only one relation, because your volume is less than equal to this one. I have written this. Summation A, summation B, summation C, and here it is summation A plus summation B plus summation C. You can split this summation. So ABC and A plus B plus C. So what is the relation? AM is always greater than equal to JM. AM is always greater than equal to, so A plus B plus C by 3, and cube we will do later, and this is equal to this to the power 1 by 3. GM is 3 product, then 1 take third root. You take cube both sides. So this one you have already seen. What is this one? This is, they have given 3L, because summation A, summation B, summation P is 3L. So you put it there 3L, and so your L cube is greater than this, and this one you have already seen, this is greater than V. So that means your volume is less than L cube. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.